Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 31st of October, 2024. Indian equity indices ended lower for the second straight session on October 31st, with Nifty falling below 24,200 intraday, amid selling in the IT, FMCG and banks. At close, the Sensex was down 553.12 points or 0.69% at 79,389.06, and the Nifty was down 135.50 points or 0.56% at 24,205.35. Biggest Nifty losers included Tech Mahindra, HCL Technologies, Infosys, TCS, Wipro, while gainers were CIPLA, L&T, Dr. Reddy's Labs, Hero MotoCorp and ONGC. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of 5-star business finance extended their decline on October 31st, sliding another 9% to 698 rupees after a 13% drop on October 30th. The two-day fall has brought the stock down by nearly 19%, despite the company's strong quarterly performance for the September period. The sell-off began Wednesday when the company, in its earnings call, revised its assets under management growth outlook down to 25%, a reduction from the earlier target of 30%. For Q2 financial year 2024, 5-star business finance reported a 32.2% year-on-year growth in AUM, reaching 10,927 rupees crore. Asset quality showed mixed results, with gross NPA increasing to 1.47% from 1.41% in June, while net NPA rose to 0.71% from 0.68%. Provisions surged to 21.8 rupees crore, doubling year-over-year and marking a 17.5% sequential increase. Last month, as much as an 11.2% stake of 5-star business finance was sold through block deals worth 2,034.60 rupees crore on September 26, with peak 15 other PE investors being the likely sellers in the transaction. Shares of Prudent Corporate Advisory Services skyrocketed 14% to scale to an all-time high of 3,090 rupees per share on October 31st after it reported a strong second quarter performance. In Q2 financial year 2025, the company's operating revenue surged by 51% year-on-year to 286.1 rupees crore. This growth was fueled by a 53% rise in average quarterly assets under management in the mutual fund segment, along with a 36% increase in revenue from non-mutual fund products. The company's operating profit also increased by 59% year-on-year to 68.7 rupees crore. This growth surpassed revenue growth, supported by operating leverage, which lifted operating margins by 1.3 percentage points to 24% in September 2024. Profit after tax for the quarter also surged by 69% year-on-year to 51.5 rupees crore, fueled by strong operational performance and higher other income from treasury gains. Prudent Corporate is a leading retail wealth management group, providing end-to-end solutions for distributing financial products to a diverse client base, including individuals, corporations, high-net-worth individuals, and ultra-HNIs across India. With operations spanning 135 locations across 21 states and a strong digital presence, it is well-positioned in the wealth management landscape. Shares of Jupiter Wagons Limited surged over 5% on October 31st after its subsidiary, Jupiter Electric Mobility, announced the acquisition of Log9's railway battery and electric truck battery divisions. The acquisition, which includes both technology and business assets of Log9 for its railway battery and electric truck battery divisions, aims to strengthen GEM's position in the electric mobility sector. In an exchange filing, Jupiter Wagons highlighted that the move is part of GEM's strategic mission to drive innovation in India's electric mobility space with advanced battery solutions for both electric trucks and Indian railways. Vivek Lohia, Managing Director, JWL, stated, "By integrating Log9's technology and production capabilities into our portfolio, we're able to expand our expertise in electric mobility and railways while reinforcing our dedication to sustainable and innovative energy solutions." Shares of CIPLA skyrocketed 10% on October 31 after the U.S. Food and Drug Administration classified the drugmaker's Goa manufacturing facility as a voluntary action indicated, thereby paving the way for the launch of its key product, chemotherapy drug Asain. The US FDA's VAI classification is issued after an inspection of a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility. It signifies that, while the FDA identified certain issues during the inspection, they are not severe enough to initiate official enforcement action. The company is expected to voluntarily address these minor deficiencies, allowing them to continue with product approvals or other regulatory processes without delay. For companies like CIPLA, a VAI classification is positive as it often means they can proceed with planned drug launches and maintain their regulatory compliance status. Akzo Nobel India Limited in daily time frame is trading around 4,402.30 points with a change of 15.77% and is trading with a net volume of around 134.028 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 3,914.99, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 70. Prudent Corporate Advisory Services Limited in daily time frame is trading around 3,112.70 points with a change of 14.71% and is trading with a net volume of around 71.173 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 2,736.09, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.06. Russell Decor Limited in daily time frame is trading around 36.82 points with a change of 13.85% and is trading with a net volume of around 727.363 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 33.18, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 62.18. For the stock recommendation we have, Tata Consumer Products Limited looks good and can be bought at 1,003 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 990 rupees and a target of 1,050 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.